Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming core prerequisites so the backup can run reliably. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID in Settings and actively connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. iCloud backups require Wi-Fi and usually need the phone on power. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, then iCloud Backup. Press Backup now to start. This forces an immediate snapshot of your device. It's the fastest way to ensure recent data is saved before continuing. Now you'll control what goes into that backup and why it matters. Go to iCloud Settings and inspect Manage Storage to see what apps and files consume space. Make deliberate choices. Turn off apps that don't need cloud copies to shrink backup size, because large backups fail or stall on limited plans. If you're near capacity, either buy more iCloud storage or remove big items like raw video files. This keeps incremental backups fast and reliable. Once optimized, run another backup to confirm changes. Finish by confirming the backup completed and knowing how to recover if it didn't. Check iCloud backup settings to see the timestamp of the last successful backup. That timestamp is your safety check. If it fails, restart your iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, confirm you have enough iCloud space, and then retry backup now. These steps resolve most errors. Finally, if you want full assurance, test restore on another device or reset a secondary device to verify the backup's integrity. That proves your data is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.